super cold in the bath because there's no heater. The heater broke. And yeah, I really had a hard time taking a bath because it's super cold. They say that during at night time, Sagada has a temperature of 8 degrees Celsius. And yeah, it's so cold. It's like going to New York or Hong Kong. Yeah. And I'm here to find my food right now. And hopefully I can buy food because food is expensive here. And hopefully I can find something affordable here right now. So, yeah. Yo, goodbye. This is the view of the mini trek to the falls. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Okay, go na kami nga picture. Ano kami wala this.
Look at that view. Walking in the rice terraces, plains. Plains? This is what modern rice terraces looks like. It is cemented, or the walls are made out of rocks. Unlike in Banawe rice terraces, it is made out of mud because there's little rocks there, like there's not. So yo guys, I don't know if I can continue the vlog, but I'm on low bat right now, low battery. So I'm gonna say bye bye first. If the vlog will end here, my cell phone will die down because of the battery. But yeah, this is the falls, this is how it looks like, and this is me here. I don't know if I will take a dip here in the river because it's so cold. But yeah, going here is so hot. The sun is out and there's little wind, there's little coolness here. But yeah, that's it.